More beads. Taste it now.
Will forever hold your keys. Ow. That'll make the bloopers. You know what mine tastes like? Glitter. Hi kids! Welcome to another episode of Cocktail Hour at Butter and Salt. I'm Krista Macklemore, and that's Kevin. And today is Mardi Gras! Yay! Fat Tuesday! We're gonna do a Pat O'Brien's-ish hurricane. We're gonna mix everything in one container. Now this, on the website, makes one drink. But we're gonna split it into two. Basically because I don't have big enough glasses. So we're splitting them up into pineapple cups. Shocker. So we're gonna take 1 ounce of light rum, 1 ounce of gin, 1 ounce of Bacardi 151. Don't be stingy on the Sailor Jerry's. There we go. 1 ounce of amaretto hazelnut liqueur, 1 ounce of vodka, 1 ounce of triple sec, teaspoon and a half of grenadine, 1 ounce of grapefruit juice, and 1 ounce of pineapple juice.
More juice.
More juice! More juice! And for shits and giggles, because I like grenadine. You ready for this? Hear how this compares to the real one.
It's good.
It's really fruity. And only a little hint of booze for how much is in there. I'd be interested to see how it tastes against the real one. I don't think I've ever had a hurricane before. Kevin hasn't, obviously. Who's doing this? Thank you for watching this episode of Cocktail Hour. If you like this episode, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet, subscribe to my channel. While you're there, click the little bell to get notified every time I have a new episode. Later this week, we're gonna be cooking more Cajun. I know it's after Mardi Gras. I didn't really plan this out, but it's Cajun and Mardi Gras inspired dish. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye. Are you recording?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.